What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. Today I'm gonna be working on my Gotrax scooter. So I have this big old leak on the rear tires. I tried pumping air in there the other day, but the air wasn't holding, and the leak was pretty big too, so I was losing pressure pretty quickly. Now I ordered my the rear tube. I ordered that from Gotrax online, and it came in yesterday. So they also have instructional videos online how to do it, and it was pretty easy from the look of it. So that's what I'm going to be attempting to do right now. I ordered two kinds of tires. So one is the solid one, which is right here. I put it in the hot water, like on the video they said, you know, put it in hot water so that you you get the rubber more flexible. So it's been sitting in hot water for, I don't know, a good 15 minutes now. Hopefully it should be good by the time I take this off. But I also ordered the tube, the air tube for this one, just in case I might need one later on. I don't have to go and, you know, wait and, you know, reorder it again. Now the good thing about ordering from Gotrax was that the shipping was free. So I think the tube was like 15 bucks, and then the solid tire was 15 bucks. So 30 bucks shipped. Really can't complain about that. Now the reason why I think this tire is leaking was because, you know, when my daughter rides it, she has a friend ride it at the same time, and so I think they're over, both of them are over the maximum capacity for the inflatable tire, which is, I think, rated at 165 pounds. So I'm pretty sure they were over that, and that's probably the cause of the leak. The tire just couldn't handle all that weight. Now let me see. No, you know what? It probably is not 165. It's probably rated higher than 165. But regardless, you know, having two people on there, I'm pretty sure they were over, I would say, 200. You know, and they're just riding around in this thing, and yeah, so I think that's the reason why. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna set this camera up, and that's it. All right, guys. Alright guys, that's about it. Just finished putting it back on. Took it for a test drive, and it's a lot stiffer than the air tube, but you know, for the purpose of having multiple people on the scooter, I think it's better to have these solid tires. Now, if you guys seen the video, it probably took me about 30 minutes to get everything put back together. I don't know if you guys seen it, but you know, I was trying to take this off the rear brake cover thing, but really there's no need for it. You can slide the tires out without having to take that off. So you know, it'll make your tire replacement, I guess, a lot easier without having to take off those 4 Allen wrench bolts, screws. So I think that's about it. I would just say that if you guys are planning on doing the same thing, you know, using or replacing your tires with these solid ones, I would highly recommend having a heat gun, because I don't think just, you know, lukewarm water like the Gotrax video had mentioned, I don't think it's enough. I think the rubber really needs to be heated up to make the installation a lot better. A lot easier. You get to spread out the rubber around the rim. It's easier to do that. It makes it more stretchable. But yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys are looking to do the same thing, you know, it's not that hard. It's pretty easy. You just need like multiple screwdrivers, you know, to kind of pry that tire in there. But alright guys, that's about it. Later.